guys, I have a brand new sword. My friend made it. It's Dodong, and I just colored it. And this is how it looks. Rate it out of 10. I will rate it a solid 8 out of 10. How about you guys? This is the back side. I will make a noise if it's wrong enough. Oh, it's wrong. Sorry about that. But I have something to show you. Just wait there. Do you know the boiled one? If you said yes, I'm gonna show you. Rate the boiled one 6 out of 10. And if you want if and I draw a beach. This is the beach I draw. And if you know Gojo, rate this to this. Do you want light, guys? There it is, Gojo. Please rate this out of 1 to 10. All of my girl. And where is it? I made a grass and dirt. Hey! Don't do that again. And this is the grass and the tree. I made it to an egg. And you know Cash, right? If you watch his videos, that means you're a real fan of me because my favorite YouTuber is Kasha Nico, and I'm so surprised. And the favorite member of there is Shudi. So when I see his YouTube channel now, because he has a YouTube channel, I'm so surprised. So check it out. I recommend that. And watch the Rivals video. It's so wholesome of him helping his fans. And in the end of his video, he said, if what is it? If the fans get bullied, just call him. So if you're already a big fan and someone's bullying you, I recommend watch that video if you didn't already watch that. And that's not all for the video. I forgot something to show you. A capybara. capybara. It's like a Roblox avatar. I have a capybara in my head, or like this. And I can show you my Roblox avatar if you want. If you want to know, just say down in the comments box. You can comment because I don't know how to turn on the comments. So, I'm just gonna show it. Wait. Para mo ng cellphone mo, papatingin ko Roblox avatar. So, wait guys. Today's pics. I'm gonna. Okay, this is my avatar guys. And if you're wondering what's my favorite anime too, I will just say it. Naruto. Who doesn't like Naruto? If someone hating, who doesn't like Naruto? A ninja. A sad. What is it called? Kid story? I don't know what it's called, but that's no. Why am I always saying that? Wait. Where is it? Where is it? Wait there guys. Wait. I will cut this video. Okay. So see you later. Oh, I forgot. See you later. And just watch to the full video. Guys, I found him. This is Jenny. It's so cutie. It's so cutie. Jenny. Jenny. And he's pregnant. And he's a girl. If you're wondering. If you don't know. And it's so cute. It's so cutie. So I'm gonna show whatever you gonna show. I forgot. But oh yeah. If you're wondering what I used from my Ender Pearl thing that I throw and teleport this. Okay. So if you're wondering what is my favorite game, it's either Roblox or Minecraft. But I spend all my time on YouTube, so I'm just gonna say